Lesson 3. Classification of Natural Movement. Classification of natural movement. The basic natural movement include the action to move. An action is any human movement included in the act of dancing, like dance step, facial movements, partner lift, gestures, and even everyday movement like locomotor, such as walking, running, and hopping. The non-locomotor movement that can be seen every day are stretching, bending, and lifting. Dance is made up of streams of movements and poses. So actions refers not only to step and sequences, but also to poses and movement of relative stillness. Dancers may use movement that have been choreographed or traditional dances taught by others who know the dances. Depending on the dance style or choreographer's decision, dancers may also revise or embellish movements they have learned from others. Movement can also be improvised, meaning that the dancers make it up on the spot. As they spontaneously dance, movement that travels through space is broadly called locomotor movements, in contrast to axial movements which occur on one spot. Locomotor movements refers to body movement that move the body from one place to another. They cause the body to travel. Here are the locomotor movements. Walking, a series of steps in any direction. Running, a fast walk. Weight is being transferred from one foot to another with weight carried forward on the ball of the floor. Jumping, spring on one foot or both feet and landing on both feet. Hop, spring in one foot and land on the same foot. Leaping, spring on one foot and landing on the other foot.
Uneven rhythm. Rhythm does not go along the music and its dancing positions are different from even rhythm. Uneven rhythm movements consist of unequal actions. They also sometimes incorporate alternating actions. Skipping is done with a step and a hop using the same foot. Gallop, stepping on one foot and cutting on the other, either sideways or forward. The next is non-locomotor. Movements are also sometimes called axial movements. They are movements of certain body parts or even the whole body without causing the body to travel. It means the body movements that do not incorporate traveling, or ito yung pagkalaw lamang ng ibang parts ng body at hindi kinakailangan na buong katawan ay mag-travel or gumalaw. So here are the types of non-locomotor movements. The first one is curve or bend, done by strengthening or extending any part of the body from the joint. Lift or raise, elevating the part of the body, usually for the arm and leg. Twisting or contort, moving part of the body around a long axis, usually head and body. Swing, movement of the body part that can push ahead in reverse or side to side. Swing right arm then left arm. Turn or rotate, movement of the body around the vertical or even full, half or quarter turns. First, turn to clockwise direction, face right. Second, face at the right side. And the third, face at the back, and then on fourth, face audience. Arm circling, to move continuously from one point to another. So these are the resistive actions. The first is pushing, an effort to move an object, real or imaginary, in space away from the body against resistance. The second one, pulling, an effort to bring an object, real or imaginary, in space toward the body against resistance. The last one, lifting, change of body level or any part of the body or an object, real or imaginary, from a lower to a higher level.